Alright, maybe we're exaggerating a little, but you get the point. Email clutter, spam, and privacy issues are practically built into most email services. That's where Proton Mail comes in. Proton Mail is designed to give you a secure, private email experience, one where you're in control. Proton Mail isn't just another email service.
We're better than that.
It's built on the belief that privacy should be the standard, not the exception. Developed by scientists from CERN, Proton Mail offers end-to-end encryption for your inbox, and privacy is protected by default. No tracking pixels, no tracking links, just a clean, secure experience. And because Proton Mail is based in Switzerland, it's protected by some of the world's strongest privacy laws. This means your data stays yours, and nobody can access it. With Proton Mail, security is built into every email you send or receive, effortless and always working in the background. End-to-end encryption ensures your emails are private by default. You don't have to do anything.
I don't have to do anything.
Your emails are secured before they leave your device and stay encrypted even while stored on our servers. Proton Mail also helps protect your inbox from phishing attempts and email trackers. You can see when someone tries to spy on your emails or track your activity and block them automatically. It's security you can trust without the complexity. Proton Mail doesn't just protect your privacy, it's designed to help you get things done without distractions.
No, not distracting. Never distracting.
Switching is easy too. Our Easy Switch tool lets you move over messages from other services, and even set up forwarding from Gmail so you only need to check one inbox. Plus, Proton Mail integrates directly with Proton Calendar, keeping your emails and events in sync. And it adapts to light or dark mode for a seamless experience, with tools like Auto Delete for spam and trash, and quick filters. Proton Mail keeps your inbox clean and efficient. Privacy is becoming more difficult nowadays. Proton Mail offers a solution that's both powerful and easy to use. Whether you're at home, on the go, or working remotely, Proton Mail is secure on all your devices. Ready to experience email the way it should be? Get your free Proton Mail account today at proton.me. Email is personal. Keep it that way with Proton Mail. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips on keeping your digital life secure. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below or join our community on Reddit. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.